And Bill Cosby is free on bail tonight. He was charged today with sexual assault in connection with an incident that happened nearly 12 years ago. Now, 49 women have come forward accusing Cosby, but this is the first time criminal charges have been filed against him. Tom Waite joins us now live from the KCAL 9 newsroom with the very latest details. Tom?
And Jeff, Andrea Constand was the very first woman to ever accuse Cosby. And tonight, almost 12 years later, a prosecutor has filed charges in the case. Also tonight, one of Cosby's alleged victims is speaking out, saying she and the other women who are claiming Cosby raped them have formed a sisterhood of sorts, and they are all ecstatic over today's major developments.
Oh, all of us were jumping up and down going, yay!
Victoria Valentino reacting to images she's waited decades to witness. The 78-year-old comedian leaving criminal court. Cosby was charged today in Pennsylvania with aggravated indecent assault against a different woman, former Temple University employee Andrea Constand, one of dozens of women who have publicly accused the 78-year-old comedian of rape.
We are all united, we are in solidarity, and we are all praying for each other and holding each other in our hearts and with a great big embrace.
The prosecutor says Cosby first befriended Constand and invited her to his home outside of Philadelphia to give her career advice. He then allegedly sexually assaulted her.
Mr. Cosby urged her to take pills that he provided to her and to drink wine, the effect of which rendered her unable to move or respond to his advances, and he committed aggravated indecent assault upon her.
All of the other accusers came forward after the statute of limitations ran out, except one other. Southern California model Chloe Goines publicly accused Cosby of drugging and assaulting her at the Playboy Mansion back in 2008. The LADA is currently reviewing the case to see if it will file criminal charges. CBS 2 KCAL legal analyst Steve Meister says it's unclear if the two cases will affect each other.
There won't be a direct impact because they're 3,000 miles apart. And facts could be different, and they'll be built differently.
Meister says because of a lack of physical evidence in the Constand case, a trial may hinge on how jurors respond to the issue of why Constand took pills given to her by Cosby.
She didn't have to drink wine, and she didn't have to take pills. The alleged offense took place after she ingested the substances and was, she says, incapacitated.
Attorney Gloria Allred represents 29 of Cosby's alleged victims. She says this is a huge moral victory for her clients.
For many of my 29 clients who allege that they are victims of Bill Cosby, seeing him criminally charged and having to face a trial is the best Christmas present that they have ever received.
And Allred says her clients are willing to testify in this case if they are asked. Let's go back to you in the studio.
All right, Tom, thank you very much for that.